The former president pleaded not guilty to all 34 felony counts in court today. Thanks for joining us. I'm Matt Austin.
And I'm Lisa Bell. In the indictment just unsealed today, prosecutors accused Trump of committing the crimes to hide damaging information from voters during the 2016 presidential election. We have team coverage of this historic case. News 6's Troy Campbell is in Mar-a-Lago, where Trump spoke almost immediately after returning from New York. But we begin with News 6's Treasure Roberts, who is live in the newsroom tonight digging into the indictment. Treasure?
Yeah, Lisa, the charges were unsealed this afternoon, and I spent the better part of today going through this document. This indictment shows that former President Donald Trump is facing 34 counts of falsifying business records in the first degree, and that number is surprising to some people.
Donald Trump was arraigned on a New York Supreme Court indictment returned by a Manhattan grand jury on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records in the first degree.
Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg spoke Tuesday afternoon after former President Donald Trump's arrest.
These are felony crimes in New York State, no matter who you are. We cannot and will not normalize serious criminal conduct.
Mark Nejame, senior partner at Nejame Law, reacts to the number of counts listed in this indictment.
I didn't expect that many.
News 6 political analyst Jim Clark didn't either.
Most people thought it was just going to be the Stormy Daniels thing, and I think some people are surprised that it's much broader than that.
The document shows a pattern of Trump shelling out money.
He's always been able to use money to get rid of problems.
Bragg said Trump personally signed checks to his former lawyer, Michael Cohen, for legal services.
The evidence will show that he did so to cover up crimes relating to the 2016 election. Donald Trump, executives at the publishing company American Media Incorporated, Mr. Cohen, and others agreed in 2015 to a catch and kill scheme. That is, a scheme to buy and suppress negative information to help Mr. Trump's chance of winning the election.
American Media Incorporated, or AMI, is a parent company of magazines, including the National Enquirer. According to District Attorney Bragg, the company paid $30,000 to a former Trump Tower doorman who claimed to have a story about a child Trump had out of wedlock. The district attorney also claims the company paid $150,000 to a woman who alleged she had a sexual relationship with Trump. And Bragg said 12 days before the presidential general election, Trump's special counsel wired $130,000 to an attorney for adult film actress Stormy Daniels. Nejame says these are arguably campaign violations. That's why some believe this isn't a strong case.
His lawyers are already going to be attacking this. They're going to be claiming that this is subject to a motion to dismiss because it is going to be alleging federal violations, federal voting violations, and not state violations.
Experts say this case may go on for a while. They say it could even go on until after the 2024 presidential election if the charges aren't dismissed by then. In the newsroom, Treasure Roberts getting results, News 6.